Hi guys, my name is Prasna Kumar Reddy and I'm studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I'm presently in second semester. Civil Engineering. Civil engineering mainly deals with planning, analysis, design, construction, and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, tunnels, etc., and structures by the use of physical law and mathematical equations and the theory of mechanics. Now we are going to discuss about the scope of different fields of civil engineering. It involves in surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics and water resource, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, transportation engineering. This is surveying. It is the art of map making. It mainly deals with the various types of measurements and plotting of maps and plans. To start any development in any area, mainly we need to know about the relative positions and various objects in horizontal and vertical directions. So this can be achieved by surveying. Unless maps are drawn, no development work and construction can be undertaken. Earlier, conventional and traditional instruments were used for surveying, such as chain, tape, leveling instruments, etc. And modern instruments are now distance meter, total stations, theodolite, etc. Modern technologies are photogrammetry and remote sensing, GPS, etc. made surveying easier now. Classification of surveying. There are two types of surveying. Plane surveying. In this type of surveying, the effect of curvature of the surface of the earth is taken into the account. The mainly here the effect of curvature of the earth surface is taken into the account, and therefore plane surveying is adopted for small areas and the degree of accuracy of plane survey is relatively low. And geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, the curvature of the earth surface is taken into account. In plane surveying, it is not taken into account. In geodetic surveying, it is taken into account. And geodetic survey are carried out by a large distance and areas with a high degree of precision. In India, Survey of India and Government Development undertakes the work of geodetic surveying. Building materials. As you can see in this picture, all these items are used in building a structure or anything. The materials used for construction of any structures are called as building material. Shelter is a basic need of every human being. To get good shelter, materials used in public construction should be of a good quality. The important factors of consider while selecting materials are durability, strength, appearance, cost, availability, and labor requirements. Building material are mainly divided into natural and artificial. In natural, sandstone, timber, etc. comes under this degree. And artificial, those are man-made, comes under bricks, cement, concrete, flooring, all are comes under artificial. Concrete, mixture of aggregates, porous aggregates, cement and water. As usual, you can see during the construction of any building, there will be a concrete. Fine aggregate, each particle size is less than 4.75 millimeter in sieve. Porous aggregate particle size more than 4.75 mm. Mortar, mixture of cement and sand with water is called as mortar. RCC, refined cement concrete. Composite materials of concrete and steel is termed as RCC. Structural engineering. As you can see in this picture, this huge building is called as the building of this huge building and the maintenance of this structure all comes under structural engineering. Structural engineering is an critical component of civil engineering, focusing on the degree of any analysis of the structure such as buildings, bridges, tunnels. Structural engineering are responsible for ensuring that the structures are safe, functional, and able to withstand the forces they will be subjected to over their lifespan. Geodetic engineering. As you can see in this picture, they are doing something with the soil because they are testing the soil. And geodetic engineering to assess the quality and strength of the soil or rock. Construct civil engineering structure to design retaining walls for the soil retention, to decide the type of foundations for different type of structures, for design of underground structures such as tunnels, shafts, and conduits, design of earthen dams for the storage of water, for the design of roads for transportation facilities. Geodetic engineering is nothing but testing the soil, and by that we can know that any building or any structure can be built or no. So all this comes under geodetic engineering. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is a critical component of civil engineering that focuses on protecting and improving the environment. Environmental engineers are responsible for designing and implementing solutions to problems related to air, water, soil pollution management, and sustainable development. Construction planning and project management. Construction planning is a vital role of civil engineering, focusing on the design and construction of various types of structures. A construction engineer plays a critical and crucial role in ensuring that the project is completed on the time within budget and to the required specification. As you can see, structural planning and everything, all this project management comes under this because a planning, whenever it is constructed, it is planned under the part of civil engineering where the building can be constructed and made according to the planning, and by using the labors, etc. Everything, the plan must be in the proper order. So all this construction and the project management, everything comes under this. Transportation engineering. Transportation engineering is a crucial aspect of civil engineering that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance transportation system. The transportation engineering role involves in analyzing and optimizing the traffic flow. Mainly, there is a huge traffic flow in Bangalore presently. So even the engineers are planning a new metro probably, and designing and roadways and highways and creating efficient public transportation to the system. Transportation engineering involves with the engineers that are responsible for the traffic flow and maintaining that there shouldn't be any jams like that, etc. And you can see now these days the transportation engineer have become quite famous, like building in new structures, etc. Hydraulics and water resources. Hydraulics and water resources mainly hydraulic deals with the study of mechanics of water and its flow characteristic, like pipe flows, open channel flows, and dams, irrigation, hydropower, etc. And water resources deals with the tapping of water or storage of water and supplying water to agriculture fields. You can see this mainly near the village sites or in the huge farms, and those are used for drinking purposes and other domestic industrial uses. Hence, suitable water resources are identified and stored. Identifying, planning, building water, and retaining structures like dams, tanks, and carrying stored water to needy are known as water resource engineering. You can see like storing the water like rainwater or any and by the floods, everything the, and to prevent floods they are constructed like dams, etc. anything. So all these storage compartments are all comes under this water resources management in engineering. That's it. Thank you.